Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay pi baro kinilong ki khubor bam takasngi. Ulam phang ka yung Dorbar thawan ka jila Thomas Sangma ne kasngi palay ulayatu baka assembly kelapan ya ka jungyarap na ki agency bat ki start ki jan ki bala ban ai jingmut ban ya batailem kumno ban pyndon kam ya ka AI ha ka Dorbar ban wan ka jila. Ulampang habaya kren shikilat pathai khubor hadin ka junyalang Business Advice Committee yang Dorbar kala pyndon kam kirki ban pyndon kam no da ka core Artificial Intelligence AI hapo ka yung Dorbar thawan ka jila. Ka yung Dorbar thawan ka jila ka yathu ki start ki jar ki kwa ban ailat iki dukot ka yung Dorbar bakin kren dala ki jong ki tin hapo ka Dorbar knang bakin na ban pen kumno ka AI kala ban yarap ha ka jingpen kala tin. Hajila Meghalaya ki doni ka tin Tenrai garu bakhasui jantia kide ki bampat itu kumtala khot iki start ki jan bakin ai jingmut ban batailem ya kilat kilenti. Shushu Dorbar mang tingka ban wan jonga jela kin wan ki start ki jan ya donlang bat ngap bat ban pet ya ke e kabakila ban ai jingmut.
Presentation of supplementary demands and grants, then supplementary appropriation for 2023-24, then obituary references. Saturdays 17 and 18 is a holiday. Then 19th February, Monday, which is a government business again. There will be a debate on governor's address the whole day. And third day on 28th February will be private members' business. Will start. Then on 21st, there will be Chief Minister's reply to governor's address, and also the presentation of budget, voting on supplementary demands, and introduction consideration on passing of Meghalaya Appropriation Bill number 1. That is on 21st. Then 22nd again we have private members' business. 23rd Friday will be a general discussion on the budget and voting on demands for grants. Then 24th and 25th is again holiday. On Monday, the 26th February will be again private members' business. And the last day on 27th, the general discussion on the budget will continue. Then the Chief Minister's reply on the budget will take place and vote. Then we'll go on, continue with the voting and introduction of considering and passing of the appropriation number 2 bill, considering passing of government bills later on. Lastly, the prorogation, adjournment.
One small clarification, if you can again tell me when will be the budget presentation?
On 21st. 21st, the Thursday, Wednesday, Wednesday, 21st.
Budget session is supposed to be more days you could have allowed. Why there are only a few days?
I'm sorry?
Only a few days you have allotted.
I think in so many years, this is the first time we are going beyond 7 working days. We have gone 8 days. We don't know because we are also apprehensive of the general elections may be announced. So we want to finish the full budget before the elections, to the parliaments are announced. It's okay? Thank you very much.
Update on regarding the new building of the assembly, sir?
Yeah, I had the site inspection today. I'm not very happy with the progress of work, frankly speaking. So I've asked them to expedite the progress, but then there are certain we discussed about the certain issues, the payments and the materials, delay in the materials coming on, because as you all know, the new hall, the central hall where the house is being built are being on prefabricated steel. So the materials take time to come in here, and especially with this now the roads also not able to carry so much of load, so it has to go round and coming. So it's taking time for the materials to reach. But however, 50% of the materials have reached, so they can start to work.
Is it because of this Umiam road that it is delaying?
No, not because of that exactly. There's so many other factors. Because it's coming all the way from Maharashtra, so it takes time. It's not. There could be so many other Umiam bridges also
So
on the
what
way.
is the progress of work like, sir?
It's no progress is happening, but it's slightly slow. As I said earlier, because it's because of the materials not being able to reach. Because we have completed only the paneling works and are being carried out in right wing and the left wing buildings. The work is almost complete. I can say safely that it is around almost 90%. The only part remaining, the middle portion, which is the main hall, where we'll have the assembly house.
The September deadline is not happening.
I'm sorry?
September deadline was the...
No, September deadline is still on.
But still on, but delay.
No, I mean, there's still time which we can finish it. So we have been assured that the house flooring will be completed by the central hall. The dome portion would be completed by March. So if that happens, I think we should be on time.
So the debris that was caused by the collapse of the dome, has that been cleared?
Cleared. I am taking personal, I'm interested in it, so I'm regularly going to visit and try to make sure that the work does not get delayed.
Can you also tell us the Arunachal Assembly had gone paperless? How long it will take for us also to, depending on how many papers here?
Now, we are ready to go paperless only because we are already in the process of going paperless.
How much percentage?
I'm sorry?
How much percentage is now?
I think more than 60-70% paperless. I mean, most of the members have agreed to accept the notices, everything on their email or the WhatsApp and other mediums. So we don't need to send them notices on paper.
Well, sir, this session, are you thinking of trying this paperless?
Yes. We already in the process, as I said, and we will also try to, as I said, engage artificial intelligence in this ongoing session.
What type of artificial intelligence?
Translation could be mostly in translation, in translating the works, but we are not in the. I mean, I am trying my best to ensure, but I think it will not be possible because it's a very short time. I mean, this assembly will allow members to speak in their own respective languages, mother tongues, which will be translated into English.
This session,
This session may not happen, but we are already trying to put things together. So probably next session we will be able to do it full swing.
So AI will, sir, so AI will replace the reporters of the assembly?
Not exactly. That cannot be replaced. I will not say that it will replace them, but it will help. It will aid. It will help the reporters to do their job in a more proficient way.